and gentlemen, it's time for your main event of the evening. 10 rounds of boxing for the vacant WBC Asian Silver Super Featherweight Championship. Sanctioned by WBC Asian Boxing President Colonel Tamapol Baktubuni. The supervisor at ringside, Kenner Saul. Ladies and gentlemen, this bout is presented to you by Hearthstone Moniz Promotions and Box Globe Sports Entertainment in cooperation with the city government of Mandaluyong, headed by the Honorable Mayor Benjamin Abalos and Vice Mayor Menchi Abalos, in coordination with Namayan Barangay Chairman Victor Manuel Dondon Francisco Jr. and Council. Ladies and gentlemen, your official timekeeper, Stella Igasa, Bobet Santiago, and your ring positions at ringside, Dr. Ricardo Palonso and Dr. Rolando Rivera. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the three judges at ringside scoring this bout on a 10-point mark system will be Sonny Bernabe Sr., Tony Comia, and Oliver Garcia. And when the bell rings, your referee in charge of the action, Gerald Tumel. And now, ladies and gentlemen, introducing first, fighting out the blue corner, wearing black and weighing 124 pounds with a professional records of 17 wins, 12 wins coming by way of knockout with 3 losses and 2 bouts even. From Jakarta, Indonesia, ladies and gentlemen, Patrick Liu. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out the red corner tonight, wearing blue with gold trim, official weight 129 pounds, with a professional records of 10 wins, 5 wins coming by way of knockout, with 2 losses and 1 bout even. From Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Abubakar. Once again, your referee for instructions.
This is for the double.
Pinakita yung ano guys, hindi pa napapakita ng gilay.
Parang gusto knockout artist ang Indonesia.
Idol niya sa Mayweather.
Wala pang pinakita yung Malaysia guys, ano, so hindi pa natin makita yung mayroon ba talagang tinatago.
Dasal pare, akala ko ba Muslim? Ha?
Hindi, Muslim. Muslim ang Indonesia. Ang Indonesia hindi naman Muslim. Dito si Ripa, parang dalang puwit niya. Para si Lilo po. Huwag dito. Wala umilag ko?
Wala, ganun din.
Pagod na gano'n siya, pagod na siya. Kaya nga, ayaw sumutok. Ilag mo lang eh.
Disqualified yan. Ayaw sumunta.
Tama na! Puna!
Finish him!
Sabi pa niya, come on boy. Oh, come on, sabi niya, niya, come on boy.
Ilang pa kasi tinatawag. Huwag mo talaga umilang sana.
Kita pun, kita.
Ika na.
Oo po.
Wala nang papurumahin, para makauwi na kami. Wala nang ibubuga yan.
Mamaya po. Oo.
O sa ano daw?
Sabi niya, i-hook mo daw, pangahan mo daw siya.
Pangahan mo daw siya, pangahan sa Mesinas eh.
Oh.
Pangahan mo daw, gusto din mo sa mga kangaw.
Eh, paano ka mapangahan? Nag-cover ka. Niloloko niya ako. Sabagay, 12 rounds pa to, di ba? Marami pa siya ipapakita siguro mamaya. Huwag lang yung mag-sorry.
Huwag lang mawalan toyo si ano. Ay man.
Napagwapo pa sana.
Tapos, ang masama, no? Tapos biglang opo.
Wala.
Hindi siya magbakar. Go! Go!
Gentlemen, your official time, 30 seconds of round number 4, winner by knockout, and now the new WBCH Silver Super Featherweight Champion, Ayman